就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Alice， 喜欢照相吧？
喜欢。
对，现在年轻人都喜欢。你年轻啊，对不对？That's right. This month we're teaching you the phrase taking a picture. 拍照。
翕相。
翕相 that means to take a picture, and we're going to put you in a lot of different situations, such as someone may be owning a lot of cameras. 其实现在虽然这个手机很方便，对不对？可以照相，可是真的专业的啊。单眼啊，然后可能还有2-3台啊，对，这些才是真正 professional， 对不对？Some people may still have a lot of single lens cameras or compact cameras because they are a little bit more professional. So let's talk about a situation like that, okay? 哇，你有好多台相机哦 ，You have so many cameras.
有很多台。
有很多台。
翕相機哦。
翕相機哦。Okay, 翕相就是刚刚讲照相嘛 right? Means to take a picture, but 機 that actually makes it a machine, so it's a camera. 翕相機就是照相機，了解 ？OK，
有很多翕相機哦。
有很多翕相機哦。那很多照相機就是很喜欢拍照嘛 right? How do you say I love to take pictures? 很喜欢拍照。
愛同好翕相。
愛同好翕相。这些都其实都教过了，爱就是我嘛，董浩很喜欢 I really like 翕相 that means to take a picture。那这个时候可能就会希望这个 Pro 级的摄影师啊，多拍几张照嘛 ，right？
拍写真集吗？
对呀，现在每一个人都每天都在拍写真集，好不好
？OK， 好，
可以帮我多拍几張嗎 ？Can you take a few pictures of me？
做得了愛天數，
做得了愛天數，
翕幾種嘅麼？
翕幾種嘅麼？ Hip again 是拍嘛 right? And then 幾種誒 that means
幾張的意思
few pictures 然後到時候出來就變有100張了
那就100張裡面挑個10張吧
現在大家喜歡拍照啊我覺得這網絡上照片太多了有沒有
對
好 so now you know how to have a conversation in this situation. Let's review some of these phrases then. How about the camera 相機
翕相機
翕相機 and then like 喜歡how okay 懂how是很喜歡 how that means just like and then a few pictures right 幾張
幾種嘅
and don't forget it's all about the action of taking a picture 要拍照
翕相
and there you have save some great memories of course but you know don't overdo it. That does for today's Practical Hakka on ICRT
什麼大家
俺只say張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.